Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I was contemplating, because I wanted to do something kind of quick and fun, and I was like, what have I not done? What have I not done recently? And I realized that I have never done the kiss pour, where you use 2 cups of colors and you pour it together and make sure the paint kisses each other on the way down. And I have never done one. I can't believe it. So I'm pretty sure I've never done one. So anyway, I got out my Artist Loft Ready Mix Pouring Paint because I had just got 2 new colors. I've never been able to get this aquamarine or the violet, and so all I had were blues and yellow and red and gold and silver, black and white. So when I got these just the other day, they had them on sale for buy one get one half off, and so I added this to my collection. So I wanted to play with these. So I have those 2 colors. Well, let's do it by sides. All right, so on this side we have the aquamarine, the phthalo blue, the silver, and the bright blue. All right, so in this cup we have the violet, the bright red, the bright yellow, and a little bit of white, titanium white. All right. I actually added 1 splash of the white into this cup too. I can see it right there. All right, so this is a 10 by 10 canvas, and I am just going to try to pour this really slowly out of each cup together and let them touch on the way out and see how it goes. So it kind of like comes out like a kiss tree ring, I think. I've seen people do it, I've just never done it myself. So I'm supposed to kind of try to pour it kind of slow. I'm not greatly coordinated, so I hope it turns out good. But I thought we'd have fun. Let me know if you guys have done this. Drop me a picture. And if you have suggestions of any acrylic pouring techniques that you would like me to try, put them in the comments below and I will try to get to it pretty soon, because I'm looking for ideas. So even if I've done it before, it might have been a while since I've done it. So I will try whatever you guys suggest. All right. I think we're good, because it's getting close to the edge, because you know my crooked house. All right. So now I'm just going to start stretching it out. Let's just go over the edge over there. Off that corner. Wow. The turquoise and the blue and stuff is gorgeous. All right. Wow, I'm loving those colors. Wish I had had my table actually level. I have really hard time getting this place level. They could have propped it up better. I didn't think of it. It doesn't usually matter. But actually, I'm really loving this. So let's just, I'm gonna tilt it off this way a little bit more. Look at those colors. Wow, this was fun. How fun. All right, I am really liking that. All right, just gonna run my hand along the bottom edge of the canvas so it doesn't pull off too much. These paints dry like glossy, and they dry really quickly, so it's a lot of fun. All right, hold on, I will bring you in for a close-up. All right, let's go in for some close-ups. Here's the lower right. Loving the crispness of the lines. You know how this paint dries glossy and it's pretty crisp. You don't get cells, but the lines are really pretty. So those colors, I love how they blended just the right amount. And check out this middle part right here. See how the red kind of goes over the yellow and the purple? I love how it did that. It's really kind of cool. It's like it's reaching out over it. I don't know. I like it. All right. Here are the dried results for my first kiss pour. I am loving it. This area right here, how it goes over, and the blue is shimmering. I can't even catch it on camera, but that blue absolutely shimmers. The lighter blue, trying to catch it in the light. Yeah, it is so hard to get the actual effects on camera. But anyway, these paints are fun. I love how they dry, and I love how fast they dry, and that they're glossy, and that the lines are so crisp. How fun is that? All right, so if you're gonna get these paints, wait till they're on sale. They do put them on sale at Michael's on a regular basis. Turn it this way. I think I like it that way best. Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.